Hello guys, in today's video I want to change the suspension mount, the Strut mount on a 4K. This is the part, the bearing of the part. When I drive I heard a knock like that, knock, tuk, 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 tuk. And I want to take off the telescope absorber suspension and change the mount. As you see, it's a lot of water there and rust, and I will blow with air. So now let me take this off. In front of the head telescope, you have 6 Allen key and the nut is 19. I already tried to bend the wrench to untie the nut, but my wrench is no more round, it's broken. I don't have a special 19 for this space, and I will try with this. This is 19 and I will make it to go like that in 21. Okay. One part is done, so I have more free. Let's do it. Now the head, it's fit with 21. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So next, put the Allen key by through hole of the socket like that. Okay. And untie it. Now. I think the head of the telescope it's done. It's round. So this is a big problem now. The head now it's round. It's no more hexagonal up here in the hole. Yeah, this is a big problem now. So guys, as I told you, I have a big problem here. The head hole is not more hexagonal now, it's round. So I need to untighten this nut. And what I want to do now, it's clean good there with this brush. I will clean good. I buy a new set of ring wrench like that, and look here, I will pull down this protection like that, and from there, from the upside, not from a downside, the upside, I will poke with tool, and I will try to untie it from the upper nut. Let's see what I will do. Okay. It's clean. On the side I will rotate the nut to clean the other side. Okay, let's clean again. Rotate again. Good. And one more and done with cleaning. It's okay now. It's very clean, no rust. I will put some penetrant oil. Okay. Here too. Okay, now I will squeeze with that, and from the upside I will try to untie the knot. It's not working. can do it, guys. Let me find another tool. So I'm come back with a big tool. Let's see with this. Not working. It's not working even with this tool. What you suggest to do now? Huh? So today I will try with this tool. Let's see. It's not working. The half of the nut it's broken because this gap of the socket, so I will adjust a little bit the socket. nostalgia. Tui. So it's not working, guys. The knot of the shock absorber is broken, and I think I will have to cut with a chisel and buy a new shock absorber. And I want to change only the upper part from the shock. Now I need to buy a new one. Yeah, that's it. I will come with new update. So the head is not more hexagonal now. It's round. It's rounded. The nut is broken, and I have to cut it. I tried with this big boy here. Looking compared with even this is big, look. And it's broken, totally broken. Okay.